Hello everyone. Welcome to Ammu's Simple Maths for Class 10 CBSE Mathematics. I am your Maths teacher, Mrs. Amudavalli. This is the third video related to exercise 4.1, that is from the chapter 4 quadratic equation. This is a very important question which is asked for board exam. Now, shall we move on to the video? Determine an unknown in a quadratic equation when its root is or roots are given. I hope you have understood this title of this video. That is, when a quadratic equation is given and an unknown, say k, if it is involved in that quadratic equation, that should be evaluated, that should be determined when it's one of the roots or both the roots are given. Now let us step into the question. If one root of the quadratic equation kx squared plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0 is root 2, find the value of k and also the other root. That means, see, the quadratic equation given is this, and one of the roots, there are two roots are there for a quadratic equation. One of the roots is root 2, square root of 2, and we have to find out this unknown k and also the other root. Okay, before we move on to the solution, see, how will you proceed with the question? Let us think over that. See, the process, the thinking process will be in this manner. See, I have listed down two steps how your thinking process must be. See, the first thing, the first job what you have to do is substitute the given root 2, that is one of the root, that is root 2, square root of 2, in the given quadratic equation, and you can find out the value of k. Okay. The next thing what you have to do, after arriving at the value of k, you have to substitute that value of k in the given equation and you will be getting a pakka quadratic equation. And as usual, you can proceed with the factorization and find out the other root. Okay, now let us move on to the solution. See, root 2 is one of the roots of given quadratic equation kx squared plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0. That is given. Okay, now x should be replaced by root 2. So, x squared is replaced by root 2 squared, x is replaced by root 2. Now, we can simplify this. So, it gives you root 2 into root 2 gives you 2. Here also root 2 into root 2, the product gives you 2. So, the equation becomes 2k plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. On simplification, you are getting 2k minus 2 equal to 0. So, you are arriving at the value k equal to 1. So, the first job over, the first step got over. So, next what you have to do, you have to substitute the value of k equal to 1 in the given equation. So, you are getting k is 1. So, 1 x squared plus root 2x minus 4, that is nothing but x squared plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, let us analyze how to factorize this. See, here the coefficient of x squared is 1. So, that is a is 1 and the constant term c is minus 4. So, the product must be minus 4. So, we have to find out the product of the factors in such a way. So, that must give you minus 4, and also the middle term is the sum of the two factors that you have to get root 2. So, in such a way you have to think. So, since the product is, it's a negative thing, so one will be positive, the other one will be negative. So, we are finding the two factors, that is 2 root 2 into minus 2 gives you, see, 2 square root of 2 into minus square root of 2, that gives you minus 2. 2 into minus 2 gives you 4. Okay. Now, the middle term is root 2. That root 2, how you can split? One must be positive and one must be negative. So, plus 2 root 2 and minus root 2. When you add up, you will get root 2. So, now we can split and factorize. See, x squared, in this root 2x can be written as minus root 2x plus 2 root 2x minus 4 equal to 0. On factorization, you are getting, see, we are taking out the common factors and you are getting x plus 2 root 2 and x minus 2 root 2 are the two factors, the product of the two factors, that is equal to 0. When you equate x minus root 2 is equal to 0, that is x equal to root 2, already it is given in the question. So, the other root what we want is x plus 2 root 2, when you are equating to 0, you are getting x equal to minus 2 root 2. So, hence, we can conclude this question. See, we have arrived out both the things what we want in the question. First thing, the unknown k, the value is 1, and the other root is minus 2 root 2. See, if you find this video useful. Kindly share with your friends. Thank you.